Hey everyone, in this Instagram video, I wanted to show you how to simply leave a group you don't want to be a part of on Instagram direct messages. So go to your homepage on Instagram and go to your messages here. And I've created a group. That's by pressing the plus sign, adding the people you want to here, and creating a group. I have a different video about creating a group, but here, if you're part of a group and you're getting messages and you don't want to be part of that group, all you have to do is tap the top icon here that has the name of your group. And once you get to that page, you should have leave conversation on the bottom of the page. Or you could mute messages. If you mute messages, no one will know you left that conversation. You just won't be receiving those messages. Let me show you that on a different account that's actually getting these messages. So this is the same account getting the same messages. And it looks like this if you didn't create the group. So again, to leave the group, press I, and it will bring you to this page where you could still leave the conversation or mute messages or mute videos. So just like that, mute messages. Or you could leave the conversation. In this case, let me leave the conversation to show you what happened. So now if I go to the account where I created this message, if I go there, I could see that other account, that member has actually left that conversation. So they're no longer here. They're no longer gonna receive those messages. So it's that simple. So either you're gonna see an I on top and that will take you to the page, or you're gonna see the name of the group. If you press it, it will take you to the page where you could leave the conversation on the bottom. Those are two different ways to get there depending on your account. I hope you found this useful and you could leave a conversation here on group messages on Instagram. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for daily videos just like this one, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.